Hi everybody, I'm going to do a string pull on this canvas. This canvas had a pour on it that I didn't like. I do not remember what it was. And then I painted over it black. This was a very long time ago. So I can kind of see the outline of the old pour, but as I said, I don't know what it was. So since I've had this painted black, I am going to keep it black and do a white string pour over it. So this is just a black mixture of different shades of black mixed with Floetrol and water. And it is hard to do this. Like if this canvas was white, this would not really work with the black because the white would show through. You would need a couple coats. So it works out perfectly. So maybe way back when, maybe this was what I was going to do with it all along. I do not really know. I haven't done a string pour in a very, very, very long time. Let's tilt a little bit more of this off. Very, very slowly, apparently. So maybe there isn't really that much on there. So try and clean my hands really well. But it probably won't really matter anyways. So I am just going to pour the white paint right here that I'm going to dip my string into. Just easier that way. What did I do with my string? There we go. And this is just twine, just regular twine. Just getting it all in there. And then once it's all coated, then I'll do like a little kind of dip there just to get the excess off. Ooh, that's kind of cool, just half, but I'll do another one. So redipping, these look super easy, and sometimes they don't take very long and they are really easy, and then other times if you look at my string pulls, some of them get really messed up. So it is a technique that looks really easy, but is not always very easy. Well, I guess it's going there because that's where. I've never done one on a canvas this small. So I think I will probably, well, gosh, I need to look at it from a different angle. No, I don't want to leave it like that. just do a little one right here. Yeah, but I don't like that triangle. That's weird. See, this is how they get messed up. Is because you're like, oh, this needs to be here, and you've either gone too far. Like that. And now there's too much. Actually, pretty much perfect. No, there's nothing's gonna move, so it's just the right amount. But I do not like that. Yeah, I don't know if I should. Nah. Yeah, see? Too much. There, I fixed it. Oh, I like it even better. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.